Martial Lord is here! Who dares to trespass? Luck and ecstasy always thrive with me. The flying dragon guarantees prosperity.
Astrid was my teacher, and I remember her strictness vividly. I still get goosebumps when I see her.
Lord Hayate entrusted me with this job. I must do my best to prove my worth. My New Year's scrolls. Oh, here they are. What a shrewd merchant Natalia is. Is her kind just good at making money? Lord Hayate built this paradise for us auspicious beings. Are you ready for my great power? I'm going to patrol the border now. Tag along if you can keep up. I'll be doing the lion dance at the celebration tonight. You'll be there, right? The air here is fresh as usual. That was just me warming up. I did not live up to my title. Another round. I'm not done yet.
I do not enjoy bullying the weak.
Remember my name. I am WuKong, the Martial Lord. The lion's heart rejoices. Lion dashes. You can't see me. Lion lurks. Lion leaps. Duty calls. Get out of the way. Dance with the lion. I love me a good surprise. Ha! Ta! Tua! Tia!